Well, hello, lifestylers, and welcome to Lifestyle with Latasha, my version of the 12 Days of Christmas. So I know that previously I had mentioned that I was going to be doing all of my decorations and having it done by Thanksgiving. Well, that was completed. However, the videos were not. So I decided on December 1st, I'm going to do my version of the 12 Days of Christmas. And so every day for 12 days, you'll be getting a video showcasing some of the decor and decorations that I've done for my family for Christmas. So the first video has already gone out, and that video was about the trees being prepped and set up. And now I'm going to show you in this video what they actually look like. And so I'm really excited. I'm so thankful that you're here. I hope that you had an amazing Thanksgiving, and I hope that you're planning for a spectacular Christmas with your family, making some great memories. If this is your first time on this channel, I want to say thank you again for being here. And I want to ask that if you like the content of what you're seeing, please hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and tell me what you like most. Thank you for being here. I look forward to you being here for all 12 sessions and beyond. So let's get started. Take care.